Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 70 reg Toyota C-hr, one owner, full service history, diamond cut alloys, keyless entry, keyless starting, rear parking sensors, front parking sensors, and a really nice metallic blue, hybrid, self-charging. Side airbags and seats. Isofix rear seats. Drink holders here. 4 electric windows. Cavernous boot area here. Inflation kit there. Keyless entry, keyless starting, 4 electric windows, electric folding mirrors as well, electronic lumbar support. This button here is to start the vehicle, so you put it on the brake, that starts the vehicle. Nice pattern in the roof here. Navigation, if you go close you see it stops. It's the camera that makes it basically go weird. Home, menu, got your different apps. Obviously you need to enable the Toyota app, telephone, setup. Obviously automatic, different EV modes and driving modes here. There's a power outlet here to charge your phone there. The vehicle's done 28,342 miles. See there. Cruise control, speed limiter, self-parking the vehicle, auto lights, auto wipers, dual climate, USB here, pocket here you can store stuff if you wish, reversing camera, automatic telephone buttons here, lane departure warning, cruise control, fully loaded this vehicle, fully loaded. Any questions? Obviously give us a call. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call.